about to take it to the top if you want some. We about to take it to the top if you want some. We about to take it to the top if you want some. Like a conundrum, like a conundrum. We about to make the crowd bounce like a conundrum. Like a conundrum, like a conundrum.
All right, guys. Callie asked me to do a real review of the AMG GTR, our Toto. I figured what I would do is at least run through some of the elements, the design elements, what's cool about the car. You've seen Callie's video, GTR versus GTR. If you haven't, you should check it out. A couple key pieces that I just love about this car: carbon fiber roof, immense amounts of hood, which makes it kind of, I don't know, it's just cool. You've got this active aero underneath here, where air is just kind of being forced into the radiators. It is a twin turbo 4-liter V8, easily tunable to get like 700 horsepower out. My personal opinion is that it drives like a German Trans Am, like it's a muscle car, like it wants to kill you, and that makes it amazing. And in truth, when I think about it, honestly, I don't know. It's so perfect, it's wide. I don't know that you could change anything on it. I think it's just about as perfect.
No, we modify everything.
We decided quite a long time ago, in fact, over a year ago, that we were going to wide body Toto. That we weren't gonna just leave it wide as it is, but that we would wide body it. So enter the Carbonerre kit. It's finally made it to America, and here it is. And today, finally today, we're gonna unbox this thing.
It took a year because of why?
There was all sorts of weird issues with like getting this imported, this kit, because it's an intense kit, you'll see when we go through it. But getting this imported from Poland to America was a bit more of a challenge. But you can see Carbonerre does an amazing job. We'll show the whole kit, but even just the way it came here, I love it. I love it. Let's just unfreaking wrap this thing, please.
Are you ready? Have you seen the Black series? I saw the Black series when we were in Vegas, and I was in love, instantly in love. I've always thought this thing needs a bigger wing. It just does, right? The AMG needs a bigger wing. Something about a wing that just makes a car. I hope there's one in this thing. I don't know. Of course I have to stand on this because I seem to be a bit short. All right, we have to unscrew all of these things on this box. So let me bust that out, and then we'll show you what's in the box.
Then she give me brain, oops, I ain't mean to say that. Rushes with the wave cat.
You see the washers said Carbonerre on it. That is dope.
You know, I just hope that's how it's pronounced, but you never know. I mean, it's Polish, right? So.
Well, it's my American way of saying it. Carbonerre. Wait, this says it's Walkity Doofencyphers.
Yeah.
Doofenschmerz.
That's not how it's pronounced.
You want some? We about to take it to the top if you want some. Like a conundrum, like a conundrum. We about to make the crowd bounce like a conundrum. Like a conundrum, like a conundrum. We about to make the crowd bounce like a conundrum.
Let's check out some of the cool like suspension components here real quick.
Control arms?
Yeah. So you can't just like just make the car wider, because then it doesn't like function properly. That's pretty amazing. Solid bushings. That's some race car stuff, you know? That's what you want.
What is the thing that you're most excited to get put on this car? Mine is the wing, of course, that thing. But what is yours?
I'm definitely pretty fired up about, look at that. Those are control arms. Like,
there's some
custom control arms that are super wide, like lots more adjustment for alignment. That's dope. Show you some of the basics, and something that's, of course, super key here is the stock width versus the new wing width. Plus, there's a big upright. The rear bumper, super wide, plus a diffuser. So, you know, we haven't unwrapped it. You'll see that later on the car.
Okay, those are all the pieces that came in the giant box, and I am stoked. It's gonna look so good. We've got some help, and we are going to announce soon who is gonna be helping us with that.
It's gonna be some race car stuff.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.
Like a conundrum, like a conundrum. I'm about to make the crowd bounce like a conundrum. Like a conundrum, like a conundrum. I'm about to make the crowd bounce like a conundrum.
Guess we ain't get the memo. Goodbye to y'all cash. Our cash is like hello, hello. The deep